Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley, taking a break from a little motor building to talk to you about spark plug wires. Yes, I've talked about them in the past, but an issue has come up that we need to address. You guys with M8s are putting the 10 millimeter spark plug wires on, and that's great. They add a little performance, add a little pizzazz with the color, but you're not reading the instructions completely. I mean, really. You buy it, you got 4 spark plug wires, why do you need to look at the instructions? Well, I've done 2 services on M8s where we have a problem if you don't read the instructions. What you do is you take the stock ones out of the places that hold it, that's great, and you install the new ones in. And in the instructions it says, guess what? The stock one fits in the carrier, really nice. Does a 10 millimeter fit in there? No, it doesn't. But we still have to secure it. That's why they put these ties in the kit. What I'm finding out is when you put this end in here and this in the spark plug, you've got a really nice curve. Really nice. So why tie it down? It's just moving nice and easy. Well, it moving back and forth like this is finding this bolt that holds these little covers on, and it is slicing the plug wire. Yes, it rubs it until it finally slices. And what does spark like to do? Find the least resistance. So it comes up and stops here. And all of a sudden your motorcycle's not running right, and you start going, I just bought these expensive spark plug wires and my bike runs like poop. Well, it's because you didn't secure the wire to where it's supposed to. Just put it right next to it. Put a wire tie on it, and you're good to go. Got to address this, guys. Yes, why do we need instructions? It's just 4 wires, but there's a reason. On page 2, right there, tie down the cable. So Harley knows there are things around this spark plug wire that need to be kept away from the spark plug wires. Just a little tech tip from Low Country Harley-Davidson, trying to keep your M8 running right. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.